kids! Today we are going to learn A, B, C.
This is A. This is A. This is B.
This is C. This is C. This is D. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is F. This is G. This is G. This is H. This is H. This is I. This
is J.
This is K. This is L. This is M. This is N. This is O. This is P. This is P. This is Q. This is Q. This is R. This is S. This is S. This is T. This is T. This is U. This is U. This is V. This is V.
This is W. This is W. This is X. This is X. This is Y. This is Y. This is Z.